Okay, it's opening time for my Glamnetic lashes. This is how they came. I ordered the biggest kit you can, I guess that's what it's called. Yeah, the biggest kit that you can get. It's Give Me the Galaxy. So it should have all of the L's and all of the V series. So all the L series and all the V series plus a few little extras. Let's see. If I could even open it. We're just gonna rip it. Yep. Okay, I got the cute little bag. So adorable. This is Lux. Oh, those are so pretty. This is Lust. I wonder why this doesn't have a bag on it like this one. This is a little weird.
I'm not sure, but I've learned not to look a gift horse in the mouth. You have to find her as quickly as possible.
I'm on it. Can access our full surveillance network.
Oh, those are super pretty. Super pretty.
Of course, we're trying to find her as well.
I like those.
Make sure there's some frequently by the
Living.
and check for proper identification.
Those are a little more on the natural side for my taste.
Are we information sharing?
But you know, when someone comes over, they can use them.
Well,
You know.
At this moment, it's more useful from the outside than yourself.
you're the only person who knows the truth about it. The only person anyone might actually believe. You carry this position.
Those are, oh my god, beautiful. So beautiful. Oh my god. And I already have really long lashes, but like, I just kind of had to order these. Like, really just did. Like my lashes, seriously, if you saw my lashes with mascara on, you'd be like, girl, you don't even need lashes, what the hell? Oh, so this one was Vibe. This last one was Vibe. This one's Va-Va-Voom. And Bubba, yes. This is Verified. Still a little more natural. A little bit more on the natural side. On the go Q-tips. Came with.
Stopped giving Peter his meds 2 months ago. Makes him forget his manners and his reality sometimes. But I can tell you how to get to the ocean.
I don't have any script.
Martian, aren't you?
That obvious?
Well, I've seen a few of you over the years being how close we are to the UN. That's not what tipped you. It's the way you're walking. Like the sky might fall in on you. Like the ground's gonna bite you.
Here are the lash anchors. So you use this if you don't want to use the liner. Or if you want to use the liner and these, you can do that. You can do both. Just for that extra oomph hold, you know? The oomph. These are viral. And they are good, like the Va-Va-Voom. And this is VIP.
Jesus, is that true? So you're a doctor?
This is the lash applicator. the liner. I got 2 of them.
But we still gotta take care of ourselves down here. So we can
Lavish. Virgo.
everything we've been told about Martians is probably garbage anyway.
Love.
Robots with no soul, who just have to come.
Can open this one for you.
Oh, I hear you losing your number. I don't know.
That part might be true, yeah.
Go back the way you came. There's the drainage tunnel on your right.
Vixen. That's a little more on the natural side for my liking too. But you know, you girls who like the natural looking lashes, go for it, girl. Go for it.
Classic. In line with
We don't have the same
Head down, staring at
complexion, so it's good.
raise your chin.
This says that it's the lash eyebrow scissors, but there's nothing in here. So, literally, like, there's nothing in here. So, let me just go through this real quick and see what happened there. There's my lash curler.
Now you.
They were kind of just shoved in the bag. But, okay. They also say Glamnetic on it. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. Well, okay. That was kind of ratchet coming like that, but okay. We'll just keep moving on. Here's the little mirror. I can open it in a sec and show you guys. Here's Lucky. Lush. Lush is, ooh, yes, girl. Yes.
I didn't kill him.
Another eyeliner.
Not yet.
And another one. So I guess I got 4 eyeliners.
He's a boy.
To be honest, I don't really know exactly what I was supposed to be getting in this bag, except for all the L series and all the V series. That's all I know I was supposed to get. And then I didn't really look at everything else. I just, the lashes. Those are still a little bit more. This is Venus, and still a little bit more on the natural side. Vogue. Definitely a nice long one. And lastly, Vacay. Those are nice and long too. And then that's it. And let me open up the mirror. You guys can see the mirror and stuff. And then I'll open up Lavish so you can see that one as well. I know you guys didn't get to see that one. Woo. The mirror comes with instructions, I guess. Instructions.
You asking me to say that's okay?
Oh, because it's an LED mirror. It says, do not drop the mirror or subject it to severe shock to reduce the risk of damage to your mirror. Do not hit or strike. Do not strike or hit glass. You can tell dyslexic. You definitely read that backwards. Do not strike or hit glass components with hard or pointed items. The mirror surface can easily be scratched. Please avoid scratching it with sharp, hard object. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, now let's open the mirror. See what this is. Okay, so you gotta pull this little thing out in the back.
What are you doing?
That totally just broke off.
Dude.
I couldn't even pull it
See
out.
for me a potato on green wall? I'm sure that I did not.
Right here.
pitchfork-shaped leaves on the vine.
Oh yes, that is adorable. Yes.
Modern hydroponics supply instead of the proper mineral solution needed for long-term stability.
Okay, now let me unload this for you, and then we are all set.
Be able to get away with it. Too, after that, the air the scrubbing plant was left around and die off. And that happened to Ranger with just a cascade. In real nature, there's enough diversity to cushion the ecosystem. That's what they have to fill the cabins. Nothing that we build, our ships or stations, has that depth. Now in an artificial ecosystem, when one thing goes wrong,
I like
there's only a certain amount
those.
of pathways that can compensate for.
Okay, well,
Actually, those pathways
that's everything I got in my Give Me the Galaxy package from Glamnetic. I'm going to make another video of me trying some pairs on, and we'll see how it goes. Check back in for that.
Again, it is a simple, complex system. Because it's simple, it's prone to cascades. And because it's complex,
Thank you guys.
predict what's gonna
Bye.
break down.